my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
Finally, it's song reaction time. You told me to check out the song Globe Trotter. And the cast would be Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, Prithviraj Sukumaran, Mahesh Babu. We have not done any of his songs on the channel yet. So it's perfect. It's perfect. And Priyanka, Mahesh Babu, Prithviraj, this combo seems very unreal. So I'm just trying to imagine how it's gonna be, right? Mahesh Babu is from the Telugu industry, Prithviraj is from the Malayalam, and Priyanka from the Bollywood. So it's like the three industries coming together as one. It's amazing. And this is Rajmouli film, music by M.M. Keeravani, producers K.L. Narayana, S.S. Kartikeya, song name Global Trotter, composed by M.M. Keeravani, vocals by Shruti Hassan. Shruti Hassan is an actress, right? So she sings to Kala Bhairava, lyrics by Chaitanya Prasad. Shruti Hassan has sung this. And Kala Bhairava. Crazy. So she's the female vocals. We'll turn on the caps. I don't know if it works. Auto generated again. They're gonna butcher it. Let's go.
కాలాన్ని శాసిస్తూ ప్రతిరోజు పరుగేలి వేగాన్ని శ్వాసిస్తూ పెనుగాలి
Oh, stylish. Shruti Hassan is so stylish.
దాటేస్తూ ఖగరాజై
It has the modern feel. Oh, it's an introduction to somebody that she's singing, right? Sanchara.
Let it bang.
Let it bang. Shruti Hassan, yeah? What is happening? She's hitting those notes. This was a total vibe. I'm surprised how good she is. Vocals. Arranged by Kala Bhairava. Program mixed by Sudha. Mixing is good too. It's the tribal soundtrack, right? Globe The historic launch of India's most awaited film, never seen before revealed, of a 100 feet LED screen. Okay. At SS Ravanavari Film. It's very catchy. Yo! She's into it. Kill it. We are at an EDM party with Shruti Hassan. Number 15th. There's an event, okay, in Hyderabad, in Ramoji Film City. Something great is gonna happen in Ramoji Film City. So if you are in Hyderabad, you're just lucky. You guys are lucky to go watch, right? Because I'm not there. You let me know what happened if you have went to the event. And this is actually trending on 26 on music trending charts. It should be number one. Because what a great song, right? It had EDM, it had this tribal mix, and then there was this uprising, enthralling energy when she starts. Very upbeat. It was like somebody's coming. And that's probably Mahesh Babu, the global trotter here is a tribute to him. Mostly, I'm guessing. I don't know what it is. I'm really excited to just see the combo of Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra, and Prithvi Raj on the same frame. Like, we have not got anything visually, but the song itself and her just doing the vocals with a lot of passion. That's what we need, and you can feel it in the music as well. That she has put her soul into it. It's so good. Mixing and Shruti Hassan, very well done. We are glad you you did this for us, right? And let's check out some of the comments and see how people are celebrating this and are also probably surprised just like me. Let's see. Singer Shruti Hassan's voice with a lot of hearts and the heart eye emoji. Yes, Shruti Hassan's voice is so good. It was stylish, it was refreshing, it was almost modern. I'm shocked for Shruti Hassan's goosebumps and energetic fire voice. It was super fire. Like she was spitting fire. Unexpected update, but literally goosebumps in Shruti Hassan's voice. Not just an unexpected update, but a good update. The fans would enjoy, right? Crazy. There's an event happening, guys, in Hyderabad. I wish I was in Hyderabad. I'm jealous, okay? Hindi language audience not understand, but 100% goosebumps here. All the other languages who does not understand, you would understand one thing, that this is hella fire, right? Shruti Hassan's voice, he's just shocked. The shocked emoji. Her music transcends through your bones, veins, blood. It gets you there and then gives you a chill. Damn aura of a singer. She is not just a singer but also an actor, right? So she knows how to combine both and give that effect, the dramatic effect. Wow, it was so good. M.M. Kirwani is time proof. His melodies echo across decades. So glad that Shruti Hassan and Kirwani they work together because it's a masterpiece. Shruti Hassan loved Totally Unexpected Fires. Everybody is appreciating her talent. That just came out and blasted our hearts away with a soulful singing. If you enjoyed the reaction, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell icon because I keep releasing something new. That is worth watching for sure. So you need to hit that and keep in touch. Okay, until then, if there's anything new that's coming up, let me know in the comments. And if it's already out there and I haven't reacted but also late, then again let me know in the comments. Also wish them a lot of success for the song Globetrotter in the comments below. I'll see you later. Until then, miss me. Bye.
No filter, I got no